Oh, không, cho đi mà. Nó sạch đấy mày để. It's dinner.
Dinner, is it? Oh, good boy. Yeah. Yeah, what's in there?
Box.
Yeah, what's in the box?
Dinner.
Yeah, we're going to gym after this, don't we?
It's not dinner.
It's not dinner. What is it? Open it up more.
It's not dinner. It's not dinner.
Well, you need to open the box properly, mate, and see.
It's not dinner.
Yeah, what's in there?
Hang on. Mum, your dinner.
It is dinner, is it? What's that?
Hang on, the burger.
The burger, that's right.
Hey, burger night.
Yeah.
Lettuce. Hey, that mum. Hang on. Where's that mum?
They're for your chicken burger.
Where's the chicken burger? Oh, yeah, that one.
Speaking a bit of Chinese today.
Oh, wait, Chinese.
Yeah, you're speaking Chinese.
What did you eat, mum?
Yeah.
Oh, mum.
No.
Sorry. It's red. Hey.
Oh, what's that? What is it?
It's turtle.
Righto, that's right.
Where's the leg? Oh.
Oops.
Right there.
Yeah, and what else is in there?
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
oh my God, mum. Oh, what is that?
Oh, what is that?
Hey, the dog is fat.
A dog and cat, show me.
Hey.
Oh, okay, yep.
What the hell? Mum, that's that. Mum.
Oh, that's some beans.
Beans.
Yeah. Yeah, put that box down there. What's in here?
Yeah, that's mum.
Whoa.
Right there. Oh,
It's
God.
very sticky.
Where's my dog? Oh.
What is it?
Oh. He's a there, mum. Oh, mum. I just saw you. It's chicken.
It's not chicken, it's fish. That's our fish. What's that one? That looks
Mom?
like chicken.
Mum.
Yeah?
I saw you.
What is it?
What is that?
Oh, not the old ice cube.
What is that?
Thought there must have been a treat in there or something. Golden crumbed bass and garlic mash.
What the hell?
Which one are you going to cook first?
Hey, burger.
Burger?
Hey.
Chicken burger?
Yeah, that's it. The leg.
Alright,
Oh,
good work.
Yeah.
We've got to put all this away now.
I just got off.
You're going to let your dog in.